Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat One channel. This video is our contribution to AG Fashion Week, and this week was suggested by the channel called AG Takes Over. Go check her out. She already posted some videos for AG Fashion Week, and I know AGTV for Life also made some videos, so definitely check them out. I put the link to them in the description box below. This year, I didn't really have a lot of time to make something more unusual, so I just decided to go ahead and unbox some outfits that I already had and have my dolls model them for you. These are Hello Kitty outfits by My Life as brand. This is a Walmart brand of 18-inch dolls, and I purchased these outfits last year at a Walmart in New Jersey, and I somehow didn't open them until now. And by the way, if you are interested in American Girl content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. All these outfits retailed at around $10. I'm not sure what the exact price was. And first, let's take a look at this Hello Kitty party dress. Of course, the quality of the fabric on these outfits is not as high as American Girl, but I think they're fine. They're really fun. The designs are fun. Look at all the sequins and look at this sparkly see-through fabric. It does feel a little bit plasticky, but it's, it's the kind of fabric that is used for kids' costumes, like Frozen costume or other Disney princesses. And I like this face, Hello Kitty face on the bodice. It's just painted on. And this is a skirt. There are two layers. One is see-through and sparkly, and one's just red. So it's nothing outstanding, but it is a fun dress for a Hello Kitty fan. And it also comes with this cute little purse or a wristlet, whatever you want to call it. And it does open. Isabel is modeling this dress for us, and I think she looks pretty good in it. The shoes did not come with this outfit. The shoes are coming from Cruella de Vil outfit by Illy Forever, but I think they work well with this outfit. It fits great. It's the exact same size as American Girl dolls, and I think it's just cute. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Let me show you the side view and also the back view. The next outfit is called Hello Kitty Rainbow Skirt outfit. I do like the sweatshirt on top. Look how cute it is. It is made out of thin material. It's not a sweatshirt material, but it is cute. This nice print, Hello Kitty print. And there are two yellow rhinestones on each side of the shirt, which I'm not really crazy about, but maybe somebody will like them. The fabric used for the sleeves has sparkles in it, and I'm not the biggest fan of it, but it's okay. It's still cute. It's a little bit see-through, and now you can see the sparkles a little bit better, I hope. That's what it looks like. I do like this shirt. I'm probably going to get rid of the rhinestones and just use it for other outfits. And the back is also pretty straightforward, nothing special, just the back closure. Let me show you the skirt. The skirt has two layers of ruffles. They are rainbow colored. This kind of ombre effect rainbow. You see, 1, 2, and 3. So there's this underskirt so that the skirt is not see-through. The rainbow fabric is kind of transparent, so I'm really impressed that they did this underskirt layer. And there's a headband, which is made out of the same fabric as the sleeves on the shirt, and it has this pom-pom. I think it's supposed to be a flower. I want to show you the hanger that all of My Life as outfits come with, and I used to kind of hate them, but I grew to appreciate them because they're very useful. You see this part? It does hold pants or skirts, so if you are just using it for pants or skirts, they will work too, which I didn't realize before. Now let's take a look at Isabel rocking this outfit. I think she just looks amazing in everything, and she is such a fashionista. I actually might make a different video before AG Fashion Week is over, where I will mix and match these pieces with other more neutral pieces. Let me know in the comments if that's something you'd like to see, if that would have to be made soon, because American Girl Fashion Week ends this Tuesday. The next outfit is called Hello Kitty jacket and skirt outfit. As you can see, the names are pretty straightforward. That's what you get. And this is everything that comes in this outfit: jacket, skirt, tank top, and sunglasses. The glasses are really cute. I like the Hello Kitty design on them. So this is the jacket. This is actually one of my most favorite pieces in the entire Hello Kitty My Life As collection. So this fabric is kind of almost denim. It looks like denim. It's not really denim, but it has the look and it feels very substantial. It has this Hello Kitty written on the jacket. It has this super soft faux fur collar. I really like it. It's like the entire look is so cool. And it has sleeves made out of sequin fabric. This bottom part is also cute. It is stretchy. Overall, the jacket is really well made. So this is one of the better My Life As pieces, both design-wise and quality-wise. And this is the back of it. Again, it's just a normal jacket. This is a skirt. I kind of dislike the fabric that they use for the skirt. It's very plasticky. But I had to purchase this outfit for the jacket. So it has two layers. The bottom one is kind of sparkly. The pattern is interesting because it's just Hello Kitty bows, only bows, blue and pink bows. So it goes pretty well with the jacket. I do love the tank top. Now the fabric kind of feels a little bit plasticky, but not too much. I've seen t-shirts, human t-shirts made out of this kind of fabric. But the design's cute, and the Hello Kitty is just adorable in the middle. And the back is very, very simple. Just look at that Hello Kitty. I just love that tank top. And the glasses are super cute. And again, these all these pieces are super mix and matchable with a lot of other stuff. Now let me show Isabel wearing this outfit without the jacket. And now let's see what she looks like wearing the jacket and the glasses. I think it's super cute. Let me know in the comments what you think. Also, let me know if you own any of these pieces, because I know they were only available for a short period of time. I kind of got lucky. My local Walmart, I don't think I've ever seen this collection there. Now, the next outfit. This one's called Hello Kitty Active Outfit, and I absolutely adore the hoodie. It's just so, so cute. Let me give you a closer look. So this outfit comes with this hoodie, and look how cute this Hello Kitty is. I'm a big fan of Hello Kitty. I think she's really, really cute. Let's take a look at the fabric on the front pocket. It's the same fabric as they used on the sleeves. It has Hello Kitty print, and the hood is made out of just regular pink fabric. I think this hoodie is also one of my favorite pieces in this collection. Let me know in the comments what you like from this collection. I like how the pants are kind of simple, but they say Hello Kitty and they have this Hello Kitty on them. It just makes them so much better. They made out of this kind of material that's often used in sportswear. It's very stretchy. They are more leggings than pants in my opinion. And I got Nikki to wear this outfit because I think she's a sporty one out of Nikki and Isabel. I think she looks really cute in it. Look at this. Yeah, there's a hole in the back of the hood because that's how you put this top on. Yeah, I think she looks really, really cute in it. Look, oh, I just love this. I just love this detail on the pants. So adorable. And of course, I'm going to show you the side view and the back view. And to tell you the truth, this might be my overall most favorite outfit from the Hello Kitty collection. Like with some of the other outfits, I would not put all the pieces together at the same time. But with this outfit, I think they look just great. And the last outfit I'm going to show you today is this Hello Kitty pajamas. And it's the only outfit that comes with shoes or slippers. They are very soft. They're made out of fabric, so they're not real shoes. Let's take a look at this cute top. The fabric is super soft. I love the color scheme. I love the print. I think this top can actually be worn as a t-shirt, not just as a part of PJs. Look how pretty, so dreamy. And I love this face mask, the eye mask, so cute. It has Hello Kitty on it. The slippers have matching bows, just like the mask, and the headband. Oh, that's what it was, right? On the headband? I did not realize that. Okay. And so here are the slippers. They're made out of fabric. They're very soft, very bendable, and they have this rubber band, so they would stay on doll's feet. And here are pajama pants. This is a fun print. They have this yellow bow. They're stretchy enough, and overall, I think they're really cute. I think Nikki looks amazing in these pajamas. This might be actually my number 2 most favorite outfit from this collection, right after the active outfit. So cute. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you own any of these outfits, which one's your favorite, and let me know if you're a fan of Hello Kitty. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.